Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Havoc. In this episode, we're going to unbox the Pro X2 Lightspeed headphones from Logitech. Alright, so you might see them different, got a little white beard, doing some stuff for charity. Huge shout out and thank you to Logitech for sending these along. I am a Logitech partner, so I got the opportunity to get these, and let's go and get it unboxed. I'm not going to go through like specific specs like in software and stuff. If you'd like me kind of go through the G Hub software with it, let me know down in the comments below and we can do a future video on that. So let's actually take a look real quick at the website. And what we'll do is kind of go through a few things there, and then we'll unbox the actual products so you can kind of take a look at what's going on there. I do also have a code for y'all to use and save you a little bit of money. All right, so over here we're on the Logitech website, and you can actually go to logi.gg/havoc, and it'll take you to the website, and that is a link that they provided for me. So I'll put that in the link in the description below. If you use it, super appreciate it. So I don't need to take you to the actual website here. I'll show you that, but if you use that link again, logi.gg/havoc. Over here, we actually have the headphone page, and as you can see under my picture here, my camera on the screen, if you use code HAVOC10, you'll save 10% off your order. So we'll go through super quick here. Just on the headphones, you have the black and the white ones. I should have the white ones here, I do believe. And specs, kind of go through all those stuff there. You can see the biggest thing with these is the graphene drivers. So I don't know if you're old enough to remember some of the cardboard drivers and stuff that are in old speakers and headphones, etc. But you get these things too loud and they kind of start to distort and really kind of don't sound great. And if you were a kid in your parents' car and they had the speakers exposed, you always wanted to push the little divots in there. So these new graphene drivers are supposed to really kind of take care of any of those distortion with the decibels and stuff like that. So compatibility, everything's compatible with PC regardless of which what you get there. Also we'll do PS5, PS4, and then the Switch, and I bet you could probably make it work with your Xbox too. We'll go here in the box. It comes with the headphones, memory foam, leatherette ear pads, USA Lightspeed wireless adapter. That's kind of cool. I'll show you that because I have a different pair of headphones with that. We'll go through here, how to get support, etc. 50 hours of battery life. Again, we don't have to go too crazy into this. If you want to do, if you want me to provide you a video that kind of goes through the software aspects of this headset, I'd be more than happy to. Just let me know in the comments below. And I'm excited for this here multiple connection options via either Lightspeed, Bluetooth, and the 3.5 mil. I'm wearing the Pros right now. These have been my trustees for quite a long time because I have a larger head. That's one of the reasons I love using the Logitech products, is because they fit my head. But I really do like these Pro headphones, and one of the reasons is because they have the 3.5 mil and I can plug into my mixer. Well, that was something really important to me when the new headphones came out, is it needed to have the 3.5 mil for my mixer because I run a 2 PC streaming setup. So I'm really excited that I can do the 3.5 mil, but I can also switch them over to Bluetooth and use them for like work, etc. if I wanted to. So that'll be really kind of a cool thing that I can do, and I'm excited for that. We talked about the drivers a little bit, Lightspeed, comfort. So out of the box, they come with like the leatherette ones, I think, attached. So we'll take a look. I always switch over to the cloth ones because they just feel better on my ears. And multiple connections like we talked about. And again, you can look at all that stuff there. So let's switch back over here to the camera, and we can unbox these and take a look. So, okay, so here's the box. Just the box. Focus camera. There we go. Pro X2 Lightspeed. Talked about some of the features there. We got some of the esports teams that Logitech sponsors on the side. We'll go ahead and open it up. Ooh, look at that. They come automatically wrapped here in some nice kind of Logitech wrapping paper, and gives you instructions here on how to set them up. Yep, download either download the G Hub software. You can put the USB adapter in. So we'll look at the headphones here in a second. Let's look at else what's in the box. So we have a piece of cardboard there that has some stuff in it. And then over here on the side, right here is you have your USB adapter. So that's probably going to be, I would hope, USB to 3.5 mil. It looks like it is. So we'll see how that works. Yep, it's a standard USB-A to 3.5 mil. And then on the bottom of the box, let's pull the cardboard parts out. Bottom of it here, inside there, is another thing. I think that's probably going to be the bag that comes with it. Let's see if we can crack it open here. And this is the first time I've seen these. I didn't pre-open these and look through it. So you're seeing these the first time with me here. Yep, it's the bag. So we don't need to do anything with the bag there, but it is a kind of neoprene bag. And inside of here is, is the microphone. You can plug into the headset, and it is bendy. I like that it's not rubber like some of the Logitech A30s are, and because the rubber ones kind of hold their shape and it's hard to unbend them. So I like that it is a pretty solid mic there. The bag does zip. I like that portion of that. Always like a good bag for your stuff in case you need to travel. And then on the bottom of the box, if I can open it, yep, on the bottom of the box we have the extra ear pads there, and those are the cloth ones. Yep, those are the cloth ones that I will be probably switching them out to, and there's an L and an R for obviously a left and a right. We'll open up the other little box that came with it, and what's going to be in here, I'm guessing it's some cables. Let's see what we got. What'd you give us there, Logitech friends? Again, you can use code Havoc10 to save yourself 10% on these. There are a bunch of unboxing videos across the internet of these, and I just kind of want to do an unboxing and show you and not get super technical. So we got a 3.5 to 3.5 mil cable, and then over here we have a USB-A to USB-C, and then we have our USB-A to 3.5 adapter. And then the headphones themselves, so they do say Pro on the top, as do these old black ones. We'll pop that off, and we have the leatherette, white leatherette. I do like that they came in. I actually might save these if I'm going to travel. It's kind of nice to put them kind of over there and for traveling. So they do pop out. They're a lot like the old Pros. I do like that they have, you can fold them in, lay them flat if you want to wear them around your neck. So these actually be really kind of good for flying, right? You just put them in the bag, and then get on the plane, just put them around your neck. Yeah, so it still has a great feel to it. We have the leather up at the top of the padding. Let me go ahead and pop off my old ones. A lot of the design is similar. The old ones I have don't have as many. So like my old ones here, hard to see, the camera focuses, but I have a 3.5 mil and then a spot for headphones, or a spot for a microphone. Sorry about that. That's all I got on that, and which is fine. It's great for what I needed. You can see here on the Pro X2, we have a lot of different options. So we still have the 3.5 mil. We have the microphone goes, focus camera. Sorry about that. And then we have some stuff for the USB-C and others, sound, etc. for when we want to do wireless. So I really do like that option. We're gonna pop these on. Feels really comfortable, like the old ones did. And I can tell that I definitely will be switching them over to the cloth ear pads. This actually might be comfortable than the old Pros. I don't feel like it's as tight. That's like a problem I had with the leatherettes on the old set, is they felt just really tight and constrictive around my ears. But my ears fit pretty well into this, and I have it extended all the way because, like I said, I have a big head, and this fits perfect. I'm super happy with it. And yeah, so on the side here we have a on and off button right there. It'll focus camera. I should turn autofocus on off. We have probably a volume dial right there, and then on the bottom here there's a button that is it's clicky and it's indented. That's for muting and unmuting the mic, so that's kind of cool. I like that. And then we have this button that's down here, and that's for Bluetooth connectivity. And then the kind of squared out area there is for the microphone. So let's put the microphone in, and it's keyed, so you can't put the microphone in incorrectly. Even though it is a 3.5 mil, they still key it for you to make sure you pop it in there all the way. So that's really nice. And then over on the other side here, on the left side, is just the 3.5 mil. So that's what I'll be using for my setup here when I build my new computers for stream and content. But yeah, I really do like these, and I'm excited that they connect to G Hub, and we can do a lot of management within G Hub on it. So again, fire me a message down below in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you have them, what do you think of the sound? If you have any questions on it, or if you want me to do a video of going over some of the settings and the G Hub software for these. So wow, thank you so much again, Logitech, for sending these along for me to unbox. I am a Logitech partner. Again, head on over to logi.gg/havoc, and that'll send you over to their website, and then use code HAVOC10, HAVOK 10, to save 10%. Again, I'll put all that stuff down in the description below. Take care of each other, and as always, GG.